up, motherfuckers? Back at it again with another banger video, man. And in this one, we're at the farm getting loaded up with a squeeze of alfalfa. Boy Larry's gonna get us all hooked up here. Some nice looking, freshly cut alfalfa. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be taking this on a quick little delivery to the east side of Tucson. Last night we had a big storm near us, and Carson were out doing some storm chasing, and when we were running back through the rain, I smacked my shoulder on, of all things, Carson's transmission that was leaning up against the house. Today, guys, my shoulder is absolutely in pain, but I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to still assist Carpet in some ways. But right now, I'm definitely feeling not good. What? Just push it up against him. All right, Larry's gonna help us out right here, get us dialed in. It's gonna be a good day, guys. It's gonna go do this delivery. We got about 3 or 4 deliveries this week before we get the transmission rebuilt, guys. We sold the Ford Ranger, so we're using that money to fix the transmission. Here Larry goes. Oh yeah. Found some new gloves. It's actually my old gloves, but I used to retire my gloves too soon, guys. I always let my hands get soft, guys, so I pretty much am at this point committed to no middle fingers. Guys heated up over at the farm there, and Larry picked you guys up, and
saved the day.
We almost lost you guys, so shout out to Larry. Thank you, Larry. And we made it over to the Maverick We aired up our flat tires. All of our flat tires.
All of our flat tires are aired up.
Yep, we got a chopped brisket breakfast burrito. I got me a strooping waffle. And we got some gayakis. And now I'm a trolley wally. And now we're gonna go over to we're gonna go over to where the hay is gonna go, guys.
We're going to the base of the Rincon Mountain pretty much. It's kind of exciting because it'll be a lot cooler over that way.
Except it might be flooded.
Nah, I texted her and she said it's great over there.
That's fantastic. So fantastic news, guys, is we're gonna see all right. We're gonna be there before you know it and unstack the hay, and then before you know it, we'll be done. See ya.
I'm gonna buck one bale at a time. It's gonna cost my spine. Not gonna be able to walk ever again. That's how bucking bales goes, guys, but we're traversing on the roadway. Everything is damaged from the wind. It's insane. Everything is ruined. All the highway signs flew down. Everything.
We'll insert a clip here, guys.
Insert a clip here. All right, let's keep traversing.
Guys, we're witnessing the aftermath of the storm. You can see it's absolutely ruined everything. I don't know what was that. And we're driving through the downtown. Look at all these down trees, guys. Everywhere you look. Alright, motherfuckers, we made it to the stop. Look at these horses just right in at us.
No, it's on to them. They're just absolutely looking at the hay. They're getting hungry. But
There are some good, healthy horses right from Texas, guys.
we're gonna unload.
We're gonna unload 60 bales real quick, and then we're gonna head out of here. And if the camera dies, guys, we'll tune in when it comes back on. So hopefully you guys enjoy as much of the stacking as possible. But just know my shoulder's absolutely busted, so don't make fun of my inability to move. All right, let's get started, guys.
You want a bounce bill or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna... Well, guys, they've decided to block us from traffic. For some reason, our lane has this, but there's nothing in front of us that makes any sense for this to be here. Maybe they're gonna let us go somewhere. They're gonna hit us. Oh, they're hitting us.
What are they doing?
They just ran into us.
What the fuck was that, bud?
She's literally on it. Film it right now. Film it out the window. What are you doing? She's gotta back up. Let her. Tell her to back up. What the f is she doing?
I don't know.
She's got to back up. I don't know what to do.
There she goes. I gotta get more room, but I can't.
She needs to back up. She has plenty of room to back up.
You hit me.
How did I hit you? I'm in my lane.
No, you're not.
In my lane.
We have it all on. We have it all on camera.
We have it on camera.
Okay, what does the camera mean?
We saw it.
You're not in your lane. You
We're
are across
established
my line.
in this lane, and you have a trailer, dude. Do you really think you're gonna get in front of us that way? No, it doesn't work like that, bro.
Oh
And you're in a
man,
company
shut up.
vehicle. You're
Shut
in a
up.
company vehicle. Good job, bud. Good
Shut
job.
up.
All right, we got it.
We got it too.
Good job.
I don't know what was that, guys.
Oh, look, they just are going. Oh, look, there's no traffic light. It's a four-way intersection right now.
I don't know what was that.
That was awesome.
What the hell is happening?
So guys, as you saw, we finished our delivery and we were just driving back, and then we absolutely experienced some giblets crashing into us. They were just,
I don't know.
we had the right of way, guys, and they just absolutely, the lady wanted to be first really bad, and then Carson didn't realize that we were stopped, and then he didn't realize the lady was just gonna keep going because she was getting mad.
Yeah, so I stopped and she just like came and tapped my door for some reason. I don't know what her deal was.
I don't know what her deal was, and her weird boyfriend was thinking that he was gonna do something about it, and we had it all on camera because obviously you guys saw. And then a few minutes later, the guy's like, "We got you." He took a picture of the truck and he called our number on the side of it so that way he could try and get us fired, but the guy's an idiot. So, yep. So if you're the people who took a picture of the truck, and I'm sure you're looking at our YouTube and probably looking at all kinds of stuff about us, make sure you know your mom.